Hey boys and girls, this is Miss Brown and I will be doing a multiplication chart. I'm going to try to do this on the whiteboard, so see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to start with 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. 2 times 11 equals 22. And 2 times 12 equals 24. Then I'll come beside this and I'll do my threes. So 3 times 2, I'll start with 3 times 2 because I already know what it is because I have it over here as 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6 and 3 times 2 equals 6. So I'll just start there and keep going. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. As you notice, I'm just adding 3 every time. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. 3 times 11 equals 33. And 3 times 12 equals 36. Okay. Now, when I get to my fours, I'm going to start with the biggest, the last one that I did. I'm always going to start with the last multiplication facts that I did. So I just did my 3, so I'm going to start with 4 times 3. 4 times 3, and if I look back over here at my 3's, I see that 3 times 4 was 12, so I know 4 times 3 is 12. Then I can just continue, and now I'm just going to be adding 4 every time. So 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 11 is 44. 4 times 12 is 48. Okay. Now when I start with my 5's, I'm going to start with 5 times 4. 5 times 4, just look back over there and see that 4 times 5 was 20. So 5 times 4 is 20. Now I'm counting by 5's every time. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. And 5 times 11 is 55. And 5 times 12 is 60. As you notice, your list is going to get shorter and shorter every time. Now when I start my 6's, I'll start with 6 times 5 equals 30. It's just over here. On my 5, 5 times 6 was 30. So 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. And I'm just adding 6 every time now. So if you need to do your fingers, use your fingers to do it, you do whatever you need to do. And I'll just show you. Remember, if I'm at 42 and I want to add 6 more, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. That would be me adding 6 more. So 48, 6 times 7 is 54. I'm sorry. I was not supposed to write 6 times 7. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 11 is 66. And 6 times 12 is 72. And then 7. 7 times 6 was 42 over here. So 7 times 7, 49. 7 times 8, 56. 7 times 9, 63. 7 times 10, 70. 7 times 11, 77. And 7 times 12, 84. Yep, 87, 70, 78, 79, 80. Yep, 84. Let me make sure. So those are my 7s. As you noticed, my list is getting much shorter. Now I'm on my 8s. So I'm going to start with 8 times 7. And that's 56. I can just look back over there at my 7s. Now I'm just adding 8 every time. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72. Yep, 72. Double check. 8 times 10 is 80. And 8 times 11, 88. And 8 times 12. Well, let me fix that. 8 times 12, 96. And my 9s. 9 times 8. Look back over there, see what 8 times 9 was. It was 72. 9 times 9, 81. 9 times 10, 90. 9 times 11, 99. 9 times 12. Just add 9 more to 99. That puts me at 108. So next, if you're going to have a sheet of notebook paper when you're doing this, so then you would just go back to your 2s, under your 2s, and you would start your 10s under there. So I don't have room up here to show you. Let me go back to my whiteboard and see if I can show you, if I can scroll down, all right? So no, that's not going to work because it's not going to be in the screen. So no, it won't work. But what I'm going to do, since I can't go under my 2s and start my 10s, I'm just going to show you what that would. I'm just going to do it under here. So this would be over here under your 2s, remember? But since I can't go over there, I'm going to just do it right here since I have room. I would come here. I would just draw a line to separate these. Just gonna draw a line here. Then I'll do my 10s. So 10 times 9 equals 90. I'm gonna have to write real small to fit it. 10 times 10 equals 100. 10 times 11 equals 110. And 10 times 12 equals 120. And remember with your 10s, it's super simple because whatever number you're multiplying by, you just put that number with a 0. So since I'm multiplying 10 times 9, I just put 9 with a 0. Multiplying 10 times 10, I put 10 with a 0. 10 times 11 is 11 with a 0. And 10 times 12 is 12 with a 0. Okay, now I'm going to do my 11s. 11 times 10. Look back over here. See, it was 110. 11 times 11. I'm just going to add 11 more to 110, and that's going to give me 121. And the easy thing with that is you can add 10 and then add one more to make 11. So if I add 10 to 110, it would have gave me 120. Then I add one more to get 111. And I'm 121, sorry. And that's me adding 11. So now 112, I just add 12 more. 11 more. So if I'm at 111, if I add 10, that's going to put me at if I'm at 121 and I add 10, that's going to put me at 131. But I need to add one more to make me add 11. So that will put me at 132. And then move this out of the way. Please let me move this. Okay. Then my 12s. 12 times 11. Look back over there. See, 12 times 11 is 132. And then 12 times 12, I just add 12 more. Trick with that, add 10, then add 2 more. So if I add 10 to 132, that's going to put me at 142. Then I add 2 more, and that'll put me at 144. And the multiplication chart is complete. But remember, your 10s, 11, however many you can get on the top, then once you do those, you'll come to the bottom below your 2s and start. You'll skip a line though on your page. You'll skip a line and then start the next ones, whatever you have room to write. But if you try to write small, you'll be able to get more on your on the top page part of your page. And that is it for this video. Bye.